All right, once again, sorry about that. My phone started getting too hot. So I only had a couple more nails to go, and then we'll go over what everything looks like right here. I'll show you. Hopefully my phone will work with me until then. Let me get my snake tool again. Here we go. Last nail. Oh, come on. Here we are. All right, phone. Don't get overheated on me. I'm almost there. You know, this is the benefit of doing this by yourself without somebody to take the video for you. You have to deal with your phone overheating and all kinds of stuff. People calling you, you know, ending the video, all kinds of things. All right, well, we are finally done. Sorry about that. So actually, I can't really flip the camera on this video, so I'm gonna have to end it and flip it, and then I'll show you what everything looks like at that point. All right.